Dis na ogbonge news for Procyon radio and television. My name na Michael Praise. KUKA say the worst corruption na for Buhari regime e dey. One bishop for Sokoto, Matthew Hassan KUKA, don talk say Buhari corruption na im be the worst wey we don see for Nigeria. KUKA come dey talk like human rights lawyer Femi Falana. He say the country don suffer so many things for many bad people hand, like bandits and terrorists. As e dey pain dem, e dey sweet us. Adesina come dey yab KUKA. As KUKA don talk im own concerning the corruption of Buhari regime, Adesina come yab KUKA say im dey vex because Buhari regime no favour him. Fayose say na so Bola Ahmed Tinubu be president of APC. Peter Ayodele Fayose na Nigerian politician who be Ekiti governor from 2003 to 2006 and again from 2014 to 2018. He say na PDP carry us go reach the level wey we dey today. Him say if PDP still get one mind, say another party no go come take over power from their hand. Say as election don happen, say Tinubu no be just APC president, but na president to all Nigerians. For entertainment news, to marry actor e no easy o. Netizens react to romantic movie scene of Freddie Leonard and Queeneth Hilbert. And for sport, MESSI don create record. CASEMIRO, one Brazil and Manchester midfielder, CASEMIRO don throw away maximum salama for Lionel Messi. He say anybody wey love football go love how Messi dey play. He talk say Messi na machine when e come to football. And with that, we don come to the end of the ogbonge news for Procyon radio and television. My name na Michael Praise. And until next time, make una dey shine like the star una be. Thank you.